It's a cool evening here in MN Estate Phase 3. This property is in an amazing location, facing directly opposite the expressway. Today I took out time to give you development updates on this property. For quite a while now, I've been on vacation and I just came down in order to do this update video to update you on development in MN Estate Phase 3. One fantastic thing and why a lot of people are asking me about this property is because of the good reputation that have been built by the developers of this estate. Remember that MN Estate has developed successfully MN Estate Phase 1, MN Estate Phase 2, and right here they are developing MN Estate Phase 3, and also Zera, which is a stone throw away from here. Why would you subscribe into this MN Estate, particularly now that the value have appreciated? Remember when we launched this property sometime in January, this property sold for 10 million. Well, I'm going to give you some reasons why you should subscribe right at this time in this estate. The development there is massive, and I'm going to take you around before I give you the update on the new price of this property. Let us take a walk right inside and see some developments that have happened from the last time I came to this estate and right now. Please come. I have just mentioned that this property is located directly opposite Lekki Expressway, as you can see right here. One thing that inspires me about properties of this amazing location is that they have propensity for faster appreciation. So this property have propensity to appreciate faster than those properties that are inside. Okay? And that is why wise investors normally take advantage of the location in order to invest and reap higher returns on their investment. Number 2 reason why you should subscribe into MN Estate Phase 3 is because of the reputation of the developers. They have developed successfully MN Estate Phase 1, they have developed successfully MN Estate Phase 2, and right here the development is in progress. Number 3 is the features of this estate. As you can see right here, this is of course the kind of place that you will want to be. You can see the lawns and the environment have been properly mapped out. It's going to be in a well secured environment. As you can see that the gatehouse is already done, and you're going to have 24/7 security surveillance in this estate. Also, the road network in this estate is superb, and you're going to have street lights, sporting facilities for entertainment, and of course you're going to have a world-class swimming pool right here. What are other things that will make you to quickly subscribe right away? I'm going to take you right inside so that you see that this estate is just a buy and build facility. If you buy right now, you would be allocated, and of course you can start building. It might interest you to know that some applicants of this estate have already commenced construction of their building. Please come with me. Let us go right inside so that you will see the development in this estate. Let's go. You can see right inside that the road network has gone quite far. So this is the road construction in progress right here. Development is taking place right here. Let's continue. Like we said, this place is buy and get allocated and start building immediately. And you can actually move in here because there is maximum security in this place. You can see that this client that bought this particular allocation has already started his construction. And from what I can see here, this building is going quite up. Okay, as you can see, that it's a frame structure. You know, I can always explain this for you, what is going on right here. So if you buy into MN Estate Phase 3 right here, and you get your building designed, get the statutory approvals from Lagos State government, because that is very important. Before you will allow you to build in our estate, you must have gotten the approval from Lagos State government. When you get the approval and you have paid off, get allocated, you can start construction immediately. This is not the only building that is going on right here in this estate, MN Estate Phase 2. If you look right there, you can see that the other building has also gone quite far. So this is complete dry land and it is buy and build. You can actually start building right away. We say people buy land and wait, but this one is buy, use it, and reap your reward on investment. Well, let me now take out time to explain to you the payment structure of this MN Estate Phase 3. We have two plotting sites in this estate. We have a 300 square meters and we have a 500 square meters in this estate. And we have payment plan that costs around either a 6 months or 1 year payment plan in order to help you pay with ease. For a 300 square meters in this estate, you are going to pay, previously it was 16 million, but now it is going for 18 million. So just 2 million have been added to the old price. So the new price now is 18 million 300 square meters. Then for 500 square meters in this estate, it is currently going for 29 million. One interesting thing about this estate is that the amount you are paying is all inclusive. It captures the documentation fee, that is the deed of assignment. It captures the survey and the development fee. So you are paying all in all inclusive cost. You are not going to pay any other money if you make this payments. Why not call Engineer Ephraim Jemak Properties, as I am ready to help you secure a suitable place in this place of luxury. The developers are dedicated to make sure that all the facilities you need to find comfort in this place are all met. As you can see, the rapid development of the infrastructure in this estate. Take advantage, call right now, and you will be happy with it. My name remains Engineer Ephraim Jemak Properties, and my job has always been to identify genuine properties, introduce that to you, and also assist you to make the best real estate investment decision. Until I come your way next time, please keep a date with me and subscribe right away if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or follow me on Facebook at Jemak Properties. Thank you and enjoy the rest.